Hello my friends, Rune again. Took the 3D printed grenade style for my 40mm Airsoft. Wrapped electrical tape around it. Used hot glue in the bottom. First to seal off the gaping hole and then to glue on this cardboard piece. I also wrapped some electrical tape around the rocket butt plug type. Let's just quickly check the weight. And I also want to test today. I have red gas here. It holds 178 psi at 25 degrees Celsius. Here it is about 21 degrees Celsius now. So pressure might be a bit lower, but it's higher than normal propane or green gas. Let's see. What's the weight? Oh, 327 grains. Let me just quickly write that on the side here. What about the rocket? 345.8. Yes. Then I don't have to remember everything. Let's try some red gas first. Not sure if it will give us any sort of crony numbers, but let's try. You feel it like you do on a lighter. You hold it upside down. Oof. That's cold, and it is spewing gas everywhere. No leaks. Let's try this one first. As you can see, it has a nice snug fit in the barrel now. Yo, ready to go. Let me just put it on safe and then we can start the testing. So about 21 degrees Celsius here today, 67 degrees Fahrenheit I think that is. Okay, off safe. So let's see. Red gas. It might not fly fast, but it will usually give a quite impressive blast out of muzzle. So let's see. Oof. 111. And here it is, 327 grain. Yeah. And now let's try that rocket. 345 grains. It fits nice and snug in the barrel. So let's see. Red gas. What will the chrono number be? Didn't read, so below 100 feet per second. And here it is. So let's switch over to HPA. I filled it approximately 3 seconds, maybe 4, with HPA. And I have loaded a rocket. Let's see, the trigger pull normally is quite stiff, but let's see if I can manage to pull the trigger. Stiff but not impossible. 142 feet per second. And here it is. Still in one piece. Yes, let's do the same with this one. So, loading the green, 327 grain slug. Nice tight fit in the barrel. About 3 seconds fill with HPA, 750 psi. So let's see. That is stiff. Super stiff trigger. 186 feet per second. I might have filled it a bit more. So, not bad, not bad.